All right, good evening. Welcome. My name is Mr. Brazel, or Jake Brazel. Sorry, I'm used to be in an education setting. Um, I'm super excited to introduce you to Oregon Agriculture in the Classroom Foundation. This is something close to my heart, I guess. Agriculture, growing up on a farm, and it makes, for me, it fills those voids of, students knowing where their food comes from, how it's made, what are the processes, and it's just really cool. So, that being said, let's get started. I went through this website, and I picked out my favorite things from each category. If you look up here, it says program. The first thing that I look at is the virtual field trips that they have. Super, super cool virtual field trips. So let's click on that. So what this is you get to take your class on a field trip. I think they're really quick. They go in, most of them are a half an hour to an hour. You can prep your questions as a class to send and to the farmer or the rancher or the whoever the field trip may be to ask questions. So you can kind of preload that field trip. I think the next one, it says right here, is to Stoneboat Farms I think that is in Hillsboro, which is really cool. So let's click on that. It's on November 15th if you're interested. And it's for grades K through 5. Little survey here to sign up for it and apply. Okay, really cool. Check it out. Another cool thing in here is this Learn About Agriculture subscription box. It's actually closed right at this moment, but I highly recommend it. What this is it's for 3rd through 5th grade educators, and it invites you. And what it does is you receive boxes featuring agriculture topics and materials and like a lesson. It's hands-on, really cool. Students get to apply hands-on learning, and they have something every month. They do what was September. October where they were grafting Red Delicious. Three Sisters Garden, November. December they're going to talk about Christmas trees. Wool. Where's wool? February, growing microgreens, coming soon. April, honey and beeswax. So these are just really cool lessons that you can get sent to you and just be hands-on in your classroom. Great resource. Events, virtual field days. Another cool thing, but it's not actually up and going yet, but soon. Resources. This resource tab I think is super handy and super awesome for educators. You can get really cool lessons plans that apply to NGSS, and then Common Core State Standards. You can pick them by grade level, subject area, blah, blah, blah. You can all read that pretty easy. But they're all themed agriculture. Really cool. There's also some virtual lesson plans also. Oregon Career videos, ebook, some more resources. All stuff that you can get. So again, this is all free to you. Where's the other thing? There's another thing where they will actually, if you ask, you can get somebody to come out to your school and set up 7 or 8. Here it is, I think. Bring your classroom to life. Bring a Classroom to Life is these staff will travel across the state and provide educators with resources and materials to integrate agriculture into existing curriculum. Really cool. They align to like NGSS, Common Core, like I said. There's several hands-on activities. Just a great opportunity, a great resource for educators. They're all free of charge to schools and school districts, and you can ask for like customized to meet whatever need you have. Okay. There's several different PDs that you can let's see here. Yeah, they're down here. So here's a virtual one. This is November 29th. It's about making cheese. Here's one in person. I thought about going to this one, but it looks a little far for me. Redmond, if you're in the Redmond area. Classroom greenhouses. January. They have something about every month. So pretty cool opportunity. I think I'll be checking out the cheese one, even though I'm a behavior specialist right now. Never hurts to learn about things that you could potentially use in your classroom. What else? Oh, let's go to the resources. The resources I think are super important. So again, we have a video library. School garden resources, getting started, curriculum, all that is all provided for you. Online resources, how to get involved, so you can get your students involved in FFA. Let's see here. CTE, okay. Educators and students, lots of different opportunities. If I was teaching elementary school, this is something that definitely would be in my curriculum. It's an easy way to incorporate STEM. It's it's hands-on. It's real-world application for these students. It's something that they see in front of them every single day that they probably don't think about. And just giving them the opportunity and to educate themselves, to know where their food comes from and how the process it is and how important it is. And there's lots of different, I think they're using technology. I saw something about drones in agriculture, coding. There's all this different technology that you can apply also. So lots of cool resources here to push into your classroom. I learned about this from my 8th grade math teacher in my school. His family, they're farmers in the Willamette Valley. His brother is a big part of this, and he would love to go to any of your schools and talk about, agriculture, filbert farming, growing grass seed. What else does he? He grows lots of different things, but I know that the people that put this on are very passionate about what they do and care about the youth and the future of agriculture. So take a gander, take a look, really consider, please, incorporating something like this into your class. I'm out of time, so have a good night. Talk to you later.